Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn one of the most important concepts in Java, that is typecasting. If you understand typecasting properly, there are many things like variable conversion, arithmetic operations, they'll become much more easier. So in this video, I will explain typecasting in the simplest possible way with examples so even beginners can understand it clearly. So let's start. What is typecasting? Typecasting simply means converting one data type into another data type. Here we can see a few examples. For example, converting int to double, or converting double to int, or converting char to int. So in Java, this is useful when we want to store one type of value in another type, or when we want to perform operations between different data types. Let's try to understand data types order in Java. So here you can see the order of primitive numeric data types in Java from smaller to larger. So we have the first one, which is the smallest one, that is byte. Then we have short, int, long, float, and here is the largest one, that is double. We can think of this as a size order. A smaller type can fit into a larger type easily, but a larger type may not fit safely into a smaller type. It simply means if I'm trying to fit byte into short, that will happen easily. But if I'm trying to do the exact reverse of it, that is trying to fit short into byte, that may not fit safely. So understanding this order is really very important because it helps us understand why some conversions happen automatically and some need manual casting. It simply means that when we are trying to fit the byte into short, there's no need of any sort of manual casting. But when we are doing the exact reverse, that is trying to fit short into byte, we need some manual casting there. Here are two types of casting. The first one is implicit, second one is explicit. Implicit typecasting means Java does the conversion automatically, and this happens when we convert a smaller data type into a larger one. So as we have seen in the previous example, if I want to store or if I want to convert byte into short, that'll be an example of implicit typecasting because byte is a smaller data type than short. And then we have the second type, that is explicit typecasting. It simply means the programmer manually tells Java to convert one type into another. This is needed when converting a larger type into a smaller type. So if you're taking the reverse case, for example, storing short, which is a larger type, then byte, that is storing short into byte, that's an example of explicit typecasting, which will need some manual casting. In the next videos, we'll see some Java programs to understand the concept of typecasting. If you enjoyed this content, please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, P for Programming. Thank you.